Hey folks, welcome to Delaney Auto. My name's Sterling Risso. We have a fresh trade-in just for you guys. This is a beautiful 2017 certified Hyundai Tucson with wraparound headlights and taillights, fog lights, alloy wheels, breakaway mirrors. We also have the roof rails and the door visors on this SUV, but it is so sharp. So let me show you some of those inside features. Checking out the inside of this Hyundai here, as you can see, we have a removable cargo cover with the special Hyundai mats. Down below, we also have the spare tire and the tools to change it if you need them. Coming into the back row, it's a very comfortable cloth interior with the drop-down cup holder system. It's very, very nice, very reliable, and very fun to ride in. Then up in the front, we have powered seating on the driver's side, an LED display for your radio, AM, FM, your backup camera, and your Bluetooth, and so many other amazing features in this vehicle. But you gotta come check it out in person. All right, folks, this vehicle is spectacular, but you gotta come check it out in person. Again, my name's Sterling Risso. I'm at the Delaney Honda building across from the Walmart Supercenter in Indiana, PA. And if you guys want to ride somewhere in comfort, style, and safety, then not only am I your salesman and we're your dealership, but this is your SUV.